Conduktor's topic access request and approval workflow helps teams take ownership of their data and collaborate directly with each other, instead of relying solely on their platform team. You can see that log in here as one of our users, Bob. Now, Bob is part of the BI project owners group. You can see here they've got this little tag that says, hey, you're part of the owner group of this application. Now, with the self-service capability, you have the ability to publish topics, make outgoing subscriptions, make incoming subscriptions. And basically, Bob's group is responsible for the business intelligence dashboards and stuff like that. So having the ability to publish and subscribe to data was really important to his group. Then you can see here inside the application catwalk, particularly inside the BI app, you can see that Bob's group has some ownership capabilities devolved to them. They have the ability to produce topics pursuant to a particular naming convention. They can create subjects pursuant to a particular naming convention, and the central Kafka platform team has specified some guardrails for them to follow as well. So they can go ahead and meet their own needs as long as they stay within things like the naming conventions, the replication factor, the number of partitions, for example. And it's this division of responsibilities between Bob's team, the Kafka platform team, that allow them to go ahead and move forward and be successful together by meeting their own needs, and the platform team will get some time. That at Bob's team can move a lot faster. Now, moving back to the application catalog, you can see here inside the topic catalog, more specifically, if I move away from Bob's app, then let's say I want to see resources that he doesn't publish, maybe I want to get access to the orders topics, I can go ahead and make those requests. So I can see here that I have the ability to go ahead and access the rejected orders topic. I can go ahead and make my own subscriptions. So let's say I go to the BI app. I go, hey, I want to go and read from the service account, so I'll read as the user. I'll ask, please for BI dashboard, for example. Go ahead, hit a read request, and that read request was now submitted, not necessarily to Bob, but to the person that owns those particular groups of topics. So if we go back to the owner of the orders project owners group, I can see that access request will be routed to them, and they'll go ahead and apply, accept it or reject it. If I sign out, I'll log in as Alice, who's one of the owners of that particular group. I'll go ahead and accept that request. You can see here that I have one of those access requests outstanding. I can see who it's from. I can see when it was made. I'll go ahead and review it, and then I'll go ahead and either accept it or deny it. You can see here that we actually have a GitHub style first recommendation. And if following this, you guys can go ahead and make a update or an addition to the GitHub repository, or you can just go ahead and instantly approve it. So we go ahead and approve. Now that subscription is approved.